All right, let's dive right in. Today, we are delivering the absolute final verdict on LastPass. We're drawing straight from the incredibly detailed masterclasses over on the Sassy Trainer Miko YouTube channel. We aren't going to rehash the basic setup today. Instead, we're giving you our comprehensive overall assessment on whether this tool is actually worth your time, your money, and, frankly, your peace of mind.
You know, Sassy Trainer Miko hit the nail on the head with this idea. You aren't just doing administrative tasks. You are the vital guardian of your client's digital assets. That perfectly captures why we are doing this explainer. If you're a virtual assistant, a remote contractor, or really part of any distributed team, you hold the keys to your client's digital kingdom. You're logging into their CRMs, their bank feeds, their sensitive client databases. And with that massive power comes a very serious risk. You literally have to be their ultimate guardian.
Here's a quick look at our agenda for this explainer. 1. The Sassy Trainer's verdict. 2. LastPass, the ultimate purpose. 3. Should virtual staff learn this? 4. Real-world ROI and benefits. 5. Free versus paid subscriptions. And 6. Final verdict and subscribe.
Let's start right off the bat with Section 1, the Sassy Trainer's verdict.
We've all been there, right? You absolutely have to stop the sticky note chaos and vulnerable plain text emails. The old way of managing a client's business identity through sticky notes, hidden under a keyboard, or the classic password 123 on a coffee-stained notepad is an absolute disaster waiting to happen. It's stressful, it's messy, and it leaves your clients totally exposed to cyber attacks.
Moving right along to Section 2, LastPass, the ultimate purpose.
So what is the core point of all this? Well, it boils down to zero-knowledge security. Think of it like a blindfolded security guard holding a locked box for you. They guard it with their life, but they simply cannot open it to see what's inside. That's what LastPass does. It's not just a password saver, it acts as this highly secure central brain for an entire business, securing everything from tax paperwork to corporate credit cards while guaranteeing true privacy.
And the actual tech behind it is pretty fascinating when you break it down into layman's terms. First, you type your password locally. Then, your device scrambles it via 256-bit AES encryption. Finally, it's transmitted to servers as completely unreadable code. Basically, it mathematically scrambles your data before it even hits your Wi-Fi. No one, not even the employees at the software company, can ever read your vault. It makes your client's data completely immune to server-side hacks.
That brings us perfectly to Section 3. Should virtual staff learn this? Let's be real for a second. Should virtual staff actually take the time to learn this tool? If you're just a temporary assistant or a specialized freelancer hired for a 2-week gig, do you really need to invest the time to master this entire system?
The answer is absolutely yes. And here's exactly why. First, you can just drag a login into an encrypted shared folder. Then, the freelancer clicks to autofill without ever seeing the password. And finally, you revoke access with one click when the project ends. Imagine hiring a graphic designer. They can do their job, they can log in, but they can't ever steal the credentials.
So the big takeaway here is that you transform from an administrative helper into an impenetrable guardian. Learning this tool allows you to safely automate onboarding and offboarding, which completely shields your client's business from insider threats or lingering access. It is a total game changer for your value as a contractor.
Let's dive into Section 4, Real-World ROI and Benefits.
Think about this number for a second. 10 hours. Knowing how to properly deploy this tool across the team reclaims up to 10 hours of billable time every single week. That's 10 hours saved simply by eliminating all those annoying "I forgot my password" reset tickets. But the ROI goes way beyond just convenience. It stops cascading security breaches. It replaces typed passwords with unphishable passkeys. It shines a light on hidden shadow IT. It monitors the dark web 24/7 for exposed client emails, and it even protects employee personal home networks. It neutralizes terrifying threats like credential stuffing, dead in their tracks. To put that shadow IT problem into perspective, typically about 62% of a company's tools are officially managed tech, but a whopping 38% are unapproved apps and rogue AI. That's a massive blind spot. Your team might be using totally unvetted file converters behind your back. The built-in SaaS monitoring tools help you uncover all of this so you can actively block risky apps right from your dashboard. Next up is Section 5, Free versus Paid Subscriptions. This settles a huge debate in the industry. Should you keep a free account? Many virtual staff, and surprisingly even high-level enterprise architects, assume that sticking to legacy free systems is the smart financial play.
I mean, why pay an invoice if you don't have to, right?
But industry experts will tell you, passwords are not free at all. They cost us a lot of time and money and risk. Free is an incredibly dangerous myth. When a company avoids paying for a password manager, they are quite literally just shifting those costs into highly inefficient, vulnerable areas of their business.
Let's compare the two realities side by side. On one hand, you have free legacy habits, endless IT reset tickets, recycled passwords, and massive vulnerability to 48-hour ransomware shutdowns. On the other hand, paid zero-knowledge vaults give you instant autofill, complex unique credentials, and complete visibility over the remote workforce. Keeping a free, manual system leaves your clients wide open to catastrophic downtime.
And when you actually break down the pricing tiers, the value is just staggering. The premium tier is only $3 a month for unlimited devices and dark web monitoring. The family's plan is $4 and covers 6 independent vaults for the household. And the business standard plan is $7 per user, unlocking over 100 policies, SaaS Protect, and it actually includes the family's plan for your employees. For less than the price of a cup of coffee, it's a massive win-win for everyone involved.
And finally, Section 6, Final Verdict and Subscribe.
The final verdict from the source material is crystal clear. It is for sure the tested, proven, industry standard for keeping an entire business running smoothly, reliably, and securely. With over 100,000 businesses worldwide relying on this exact infrastructure, upgrading to a dedicated zero-knowledge vault is simply a mandatory foundational step for any serious remote professional today.
So I want to leave you with this final provocative thought. If your client's digital kingdom was targeted tomorrow by a cascading breach, would your current system hold the line, or are you still relying on spreadsheets and sticky notes? It is absolutely time to upgrade and become the true, impenetrable guardian your clients actually need.
If you found this breakdown helpful and you want to truly master your remote workflows, make sure to subscribe to Sassy Trainer Miko on YouTube for more cybersecurity masterclasses. Thanks so much for joining us for this explainer, and we will catch you on the next one.